Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at System.io. I'm going to show you how you can you basically use a referral link in your System.io, whatever referral link, if you are a System.io affiliate, which if you have the tool, you are, how you can actually add tags to it. The reason why I want to share with you this strategy is because within your affiliate marketing journey, specifically your email marketing journey, using your tags does make a huge difference in our tracking. Okay, at the end of the day, we want to know where we are getting the sales so that we can optimize, so we can deliver to the people that we need to serve in the best way possible. So I hope this video is educational. I love Wednesdays to create these videos for you guys, and let's hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, welcome back and welcome to my laptop and the place where I'm sharing with you guys all this awesome content. Guys, if you're here for the first time on my channel, I want to welcome you because this is where I talk about everything skill set related. It's where I post absolutely free content. Obviously, the resources that you can find in all of these videos are in the description of this video, so feel free to go through it at any point of time. But I hope that you are learning the skill sets, and this channel is helping you with your affiliate marketing journey, with your email marketing journey, with your technical journey as well, because we talk on Wednesday specifically about the tools and the automations and the strategies that I'm personally using with my affiliate marketing journey. Guys, I created this channel to share, to impart these tips. So if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified for future videos, obviously, that I post. And obviously, if you add a like or a comment, it does help me, it does help the algorithm, and I appreciate it a lot. But I want to bring you guys as much value as possible. So today we're going to be talking about System.io. It is an absolutely free tool if you do want to get access to it, but I would definitely suggest to even think about the paid plan. In fact, I'm going to link the paid plan, the annual paid plan, within the description, because it's 30% savings that you're going to get. And I am on the monthly paid plan at the moment, the startup plan, and I just use it for different methods and different ways. But let's say you want to get started absolutely for free. So I'm not going to talk about the paid plan at the moment. Let's say you want to get started absolutely for free and you want to start your affiliate marketing journey. I've shared in the past in different kinds of videos. Also, if you see the link in the description, which is basically to a playlist, you will be able to find out also different methods that I use System.io to be able to leverage in my affiliate marketing journey. Now, I use it for the entire year absolutely for free. Let's say you do want affiliate, you do want to use System.io as an affiliate. You want to create your own funnel and you want to start to share the products that they have. System.io, guys, has a whole marketplace over here. Okay, this means that it has different affiliate offers, from info products to services to templates and physical products, softwares. There are multiple things that are available right here. But let's say you just want to be an affiliate for System.io itself. So if you go to the affiliate program and I just click on, let's say not all time, but let's look at all time. You'll see that there are different courses right here. These are short courses that System.io has itself. You can always be an affiliate for it. Let's say you want to be an affiliate for the tool itself, right? You go to affiliate dashboard and you're able to find your affiliate link right here. And as you send people, I'm just going to show you very openly my all-time earnings so that you understand. I've earned about $160 in commissions from System.io, and I will definitely be promoting it again. This is just bonus income for myself because, like I said, I use the tool daily in my business. If somebody else wants to use it, great. If not, that's fine. I'm still going to be using it because I do love it. Okay. So this is just something to pay attention to. And you can see that there are smaller commissions and then there are big commissions. The smaller commissions are basically from these products that you can see right here, which I also own, by the way. I never ever share. This is just my version of affiliate marketing, guys. I never share anything that I don't personally own because I see affiliate marketing as a recommendation platform, a way to market as recommending people's services and products that I have used to somebody else for their benefit. I'm not going to do it for the masses. I'm going to do for somebody who needs a specific product or service. So that's personally how I look at affiliate marketing. All of these courses and everything that's here has a link. Okay, so you basically have a link to it. Now, I believe even for other offers right here. So let's say you're using this. Okay, I picked a random offer. This is ads made free accelerator. I don't know who this person is. I don't know anything about it, but let's just say you go to promote right here. You see that there is a link. Okay, this is a link right here. which is basically on-demand class master class. Let's say you pick this offer, just to give you a hypothetical example. Now, I am not promoting this offer. This is not something I do. I just want to show you how to track. Let's say you want to share this long link, which is doesn't look really nice, right? In your email campaign or in another page that you create, and you want to make sure that you have created, let's say you've created a funnel, just to give you guys an idea. Let's say you've created a page like this, and I've done it actually. So I'm going to show you myself. Let's say you go to copywriting right here and we view this page. This is a review of how my YouTube video. This is something that I do for my email list. Okay, it's my YouTube video. I'm sharing it to my email list as a value-based video. They can watch that video. And if they want to get access to the copy right here, you can get access to the copy. Now, what I want to show you, if I click over here, it goes to this page and it says YouTube review right here. So there is a tag at the end, but I know that somebody who has clicked on this, first and foremost, has clicked on this button, has come from this specific page, guys. I know from where they're coming. So if this page is only on my email list, I will know that it's only on my email list. But let's say you create this page, which is pretty simple, and now you share this page on YouTube or you share it on any other social media platform. Now you can start to track with that, and you can change this link on and on again, just like you can change this as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that so you know exactly where to get it from. Now, just to say as a resource, if you do get, once you do get system.io, guys, in the help section right here, if you go to help pages and just put tag, okay, how to add a tag to my affiliate link, this is going to show you exactly how you add a tag to your affiliate link. The reason why I'm sharing this with you is for trackability purposes. More than a tutorial of how to get it done, I think you can follow the article right here, but I will show you how to do it. I think you can really follow the article. The reason why I use it, I want to show the mentality behind it. The reason why I use this is within my email campaigns, within my whole approach. So for example, I'm an affiliate for system.io for the annual plans, for everything, right? Being an affiliate for system.io makes sense because it's a great affiliate program. It has 60% lifetime commissions. It's amazing, to be honest. And there are so many levels to it that I really like. Now, there are no multiple levels of affiliate commissions, no, but it's 60% lifetime commissions on each and every product that exists. And most of the time, even the marketing, when it's done by the owners itself, this tool is just a function. Like, the quality of this tool is amazing. So why not be an affiliate for it? Whether you're sharing it, let me give you a realistic example. Let's say you are now providing a service and you are building a no-code website. You're basically building a website for somebody else, but they need to use system.io to understand everything on the back end. Now you're sharing this as an affiliate to somebody to get a paid plan and take care of the back end and so on and so forth. You can have a tag to this and keep adding. But as I said, you can add your link to YouTube. You can add it to anywhere else. Just let's say you want to add. It's simple, guys. All you need to do is, as you can see from this step right here, you will need to add this and tk equals. This is the main code. So let's say this website right here, as I shared with you, you say and tk equals, and let's say it's YouTube, and you just add YouTube, or you add email campaign, or you add whatever it is, right? So you're now adding a tracking link to each and every link, every code that you send. This will start to be linked on to you, and wherever you get your commissions, now you know, okay, it's coming from YouTube. Okay, you know it's coming from wherever. But whenever people get your commissions, even your own link that you share with other people, let's say a webinar or whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Any kind of link that you share from system.io, you can add that. If I'm not mistaken, you can, how do you, let's just look at how you can add tracking. Okay. So let's say how to add order summary, how to add tracking, affiliate link tracking. Okay. So this is, let's just put it this way. So guys, just to give you a full overview, this is only applicable as an affiliate to system.io and the products and services that they have in their marketplace. Okay. So let's say you are sharing any of these digital products or services, templates, whatever it is. Let's say you go to templates, just to give you an example. Okay, let's go to templates. Let's go filter. Let's say you want to share some of these ChatGPT templates, Digital Boss Academy templates. These are all templates that exist. Obviously, you want to share this with somebody else. Let's say you want to share a software with somebody else. Okay, let's go to software. Let's say you want to share this Pinterest automation course software, or 15 emails, financial freedom. Let's say this, oh, this is a nice Photoshop course right here. So quite a few nice, interesting courses right here. But let's look at the earnings because I always like to see that. System.io is the main one, obviously, software wise. So let's say you take, I'm just going to choose one. Let's say you take YouTube Evolution, just to give you guys an understanding, okay? Take YouTube Evolution. This is a course by Society. As you guys can see right here, it has a sales page and an opt-in page. This is the opt-in page. It's a course for, I believe, a few, I don't know how much. And this is the sales page. Okay, so this is the sales page right here. And let's say you want to start to now use this offer, or you're used to, you want to use, let's say you want to use this offer as your main offer. Okay, you take it right here, you literally add, as I mentioned, and TK equals, and then add it to email campaign, let's say email 1. And this way you take the same offer that you're sharing and you can do email 2, email 3, email 4, and that way you know which emails are now converting. As you start to send emails, as you start to send the links to other people, you know exactly from where that sale has come through. So just wanted to share that information with you. I wanted to keep it concise. It is one of the reasons why I personally, this is something that I looked for in my journey, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I use it in my email campaign specifically. So right now I have about, I think, 55 emails. Yeah, 55 emails in my campaign, and out of which I have some products and services. Also, I'm talking about System.io, and each and every one of them, I have these tracking links available, so I know I can track my conversions. So as I make those conversions long time, I know exactly what's converting, not converting, what I need to improve, what I don't need to improve, what I need to throw away. The more data points we have, the better it is. But start with one at a time, guys. Okay, start with one at a time. Hope this gave you some information. Again, how to add a tag to your affiliate links with System.io using System.io. And other than that, I just wanted to show you and talk about the tracking options available within this platform itself. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I'm going to see you guys on Friday for another video.